Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight these V-Line Lifting Hydrogel Collagen Masks. Now these things are amazing and I'm super excited to show you why you need these. So these are awesome. They're hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract, and these are really cool because these are helping our jawline and the skin right here around our jaw. So this is really cool because it's helping to kind of tighten and lift that skin, and it feels amazing while doing it. So I have one open so I can show you guys exactly how to put it on, but this is what the packaging it comes in. There's 10 of them in a pack. And then this is what it looks like when you take it out of the side. So it just kind of walks you through. You want to cleanse your face. You want to, while you stretch the mask along your jawline, then you hook the loops around your ears, and then you evenly spread the mask and you leave it on for 30 minutes. So we're going to put this on together so that you guys can see, but this stuff feels amazing. So this side is kind of like a soft fuzzy side. And then I'm going to take this other side off so you guys can kind of see exactly how we do this. So when you take it off, it's like this. This is the cooling side. This is the side that's going to go on your face. So you want to come right here, and then you want to stretch it up and around, and you want to get it around your ears. So the whole point is that it is a little bit tight right here because this is the skin that we are targeting. So those fit nicely around your ears. The rest of this goes right here around your face, and then you just kind of push up and out to make sure that it's firm on your face and on your neck, and that's going to help to firm that skin and smooth it out. Who does not need a little more firmness and smoothness right here around their jawline? You guys, I absolutely love these. I am a huge fan. They feel amazing. As soon as you put it on, you can feel those cooling effects, and that's just going to help me tighten up this skin right here around my chin and my jawline. Absolutely love these, you guys. If you guys are on the hunt for something like this, I highly recommend. Super easy to use, really functional. Absolutely love it. Leave it on for about 30 minutes after you put it on, and I cannot tell you how awesome these feel, and I absolutely love the results from them. So hop on and check them out.